Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to add contacts inside Klaviyo. First, what you want to do is click on Lists and Segments. Once you're here, click on Create List, click on List and name it whatever you want. After you create the list, click on the button. Then you will be able to upload contacts. Just select your CSV file and that's it. But also make sure to format your file correctly. If you click on this first link, Klaviyo will exactly told you how you need to name the first column so that the name, birthday and whatever you have about the customer is inputted correctly. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.